Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, the Happy Cultivator, and it's time for the final update of the Indoor Lettuce Project. So I'm sitting here in the T&B Naturals NIWA Grow Hub sponsored 5x5 tent, and we are kind of in a downtime when I don't have any cannabis growing. So I've just been experimenting in here with the lettuce project. Some of you guys have seen the first two videos. This is going to be the final installment. The lettuce is starting to bolt. I've gotten 2 harvests already out of it. We'll get this final 3rd harvest, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean out and reset this tent. So with that, guys, let's get to harvesting. So here is the lettuce that is left over. As you can see, it has started to bolt, meaning it is going to flower. This is just food for my tortoises. So we're going to go ahead and take this final harvest of this real nice lettuce in here, and we'll give that to the tortoises, and then we'll reset this tent. I've got my handy harvesting basket here, so let's go ahead and do this. You may ask yourself, Urban, why aren't you just taking the whole plants? Well, the reason is I just want the leaves for the tortoises, and it shows you how to do cut and come again lettuce. So we'll finish this up, and then I'm going to take it out to the tortoises. So there you have it, guys. We have taken all the leaves off that lettuce. We have a nice little harvest here for the tortoises, and you may have noticed that there is a little bit of aphid on this, part of the reason for the whole reset of the tent. The aphids are great for the tortoises, though. It's just extra protein. So now what we'll do is I'll get that old diatomaceous earth off there. I'll spray it down with a little bit of alcohol, and then I may or may not start a cover crop into that bucket, but we will definitely re-amend it. I will be vacuuming up, sweeping up all of the debris in here, and we'll get a nice clean tent to restart. So with that, guys, I'm gonna go take this out to the tortoises, and you guys remember to keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.